So in this video, you'll learn how to factory reset your Chromebook. So the first step is to open the Settings app. And then once you've launched Settings, you then want to scroll down and you want to select System Preferences. And then under System Preferences, you want to scroll even further down until you get to Powerwash. So what you want to do is simply click on Reset and then confirm by starting your device. So once the restart is complete, you'll then be taken to the next step of the factory reset process. So just wait patiently. And then from here, you'll be brought into the sign-in screen and you should see this window appearing, Reset this Chromebook. So click on Powerwash and then confirm by selecting Continue. And once you've done that, just wait patiently. Depending on how much data there is on your Chromebook, it can take a while or it can reduce this amount of time. But the Chromebook should erase all the data that's currently on it. And then once the data erasure is complete, you'll be brought to the setup page of your Chromebook. So you can see I've been brought to the setup page and I need to reset up my Chromebook so that I can use it again. So that's how you can factory reset your Chromebook. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.